Kaya.
In a world that has decided that it's going to lose its mind, be more kind, my friends. Try to be more kind.
Good evening, everyone. It's Megan here from Be More Kind. Today I'm going to be putting together a little montage from taking Kaya out down to the beach. It was a pretty horrific day weather-wise. My hair went from being lovely and straight to looking like I'm being dragged through a hedge backwards, which is probably nothing new because that's what I look like when I wake up in the morning. So as you can see behind me, I have made a start on my room with my wall stickers and everything. Kaya, do you want to come and say hello? Come and say hi. This is Kaya. She is my friend's dog, my friend that I live with, and she is amazing. It's like she's a little bit of a therapy dog in a way. She's absolutely incredible. I'm going to put together the clips and the pictures from today. It's amazing because you actually see the weather front move over the sea. It was quite a funny day. I went and got some shopping. I did some walking. Didn't do too much though because I didn't want to wear myself out. But yeah, I'm gonna leave you to watch the video, and it's bye from me and a bye from Kaya. I'm gonna say bye bye. Come here then. You're gonna say bye, my darling. What did you do? Oh dear. Come on then. Come on, let's go this end. Kaya's like, what are you doing up there and how do I get up there? She looks so confused. Oh, Kaya. What did you do? She's like, I jumped in water. Kaya, come here then, darling. Oh, you wet little doggy. Excuse the crazy hair, but we've just been to the beach to take the dog for a walk, and now it's absolutely hammering it down. And Molly's all wet. Kaya, come here. Yeah, we took the dog as well. Well, that was another beach day that wasn't quite as pleasant as the first. No sandcastles or anything because it's effing raining.
When going to the beach, don't, it pisses it down. It's wild.
Oh, I love this woman. She's amazing. Come on then, Kaya. Come on. She doesn't like the car though, does she?
Kaya,
She's going in the boot, look.
good girl.
Yeah, this was another fun day and I really enjoyed it. And now I'm off to go and get some shopping with pretty crazy hair, it would seem. So yeah, that's another beach day all done and dusted. And I will see you again soon. Mwah.